Soap, baby.
Donut soap time. Yeah.
Let's talk about the spelling of donut, because we're in Canada, and you're from the UK.
Yep.
So how do you spell donut in the UK?
D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T.
That's how we spell it. But for the sake of this video and all my friendly American friends, I'm spelling it without the U-G-H, because if I put D-O-U-G-H N-U-T, they're going to think I'm crazy, right?
Yeah, donut, D-O-N-U-T. Maybe it's just a lazy way of spelling it.
Do not?
Do not, yes.
Do not. So it's do not soap. And I've just added the lye water solution to my oils, and I'm mixing and stirring as usual, soaping at room temperature. Do you remember all the donuts I made for this?
Yeah, and they look so real, you could eat them straight off the plate.
There was thousands, though. I always make thousands too many.
Yeah, I remember when you did them, we were deciding to try and remember every type of donut there was.
Yes.
I think you've covered all of them.
Pretty much, except stuff with, like, filling in it. There's some brown mica in oil, so that's going to be our bottom layer.
Yeah, I know.
You do? I'm going to put chocolate fragrance in that.
There we go.
Chocolatey it looks. Chocolate.
Oh, look at that. It looks just like the type of thing that goes into a mud pie, eh?
Oh, do you have mud pies
in
the UK?
Yeah.
Well, how do you make yours?
I don't make them, I can't bake, you know.
There's
that.
The chocolate fragrance oil. No, but how are they made?
They're made the same way as they made, I think they've come from America, don't they, mud pies, Mississippi mud pies. So.
Well, I'm thinking of something different. Like here, it's like Oreo cookie crumbs mixed with chocolate pudding and whipped cream.
That's it.
And you put like gummy worms on top for a kid's birthday or whatever.
I don't know if I've seen them, but you know,
I'll have to make you one.
Loaded with chocolate.
That I do know how to make, because, you know, I have 4 kids and I have lots of birthdays to deal with.
Yeah.
I love Josh loved that one. It's his favorite.
Anybody doesn't like chocolate.
Well,
yeah.
I like vanilla better than chocolate now, but I used to love chocolate. I like dark chocolate. That looks pretty dark, doesn't it?
Any chocolate. Yeah, it just looks like the filling in the Mississippi mud pie.
Mississippi mud pie?
There we go. Ooh, look at that.
I like watching it pour. It's like I'm watching someone else. Obsessed with the pouring.
I don't know, I think watching these type of videos is very soothing and hypnotic. I keep saying that, well that's right.
You keep saying that, and you keep saying you want cake. Every time we watch a video, you want cake and coffee.
I keep saying it makes you want to go out and buy all the things you shouldn't want to buy, but we love.
Yeah. That we buy anyway.
So this now, this got, how many layers has this got? Has it got 2 or 3?
I think there's 2 layers in this one. The top layer is going to be honey. Honey fragrance oil. And there's some golden mica in oil. That should look a little bit like honey. I don't know. It should.
It does. It looks like the colour of a honeycomb. And the smell, I've smelt that fragrance. It's really yummy.
With the chocolate though, it's like out of this world. It actually smells just like a donut. Titanium dioxide.
Yeah, I'm remembering now. Titanium dioxide.
Yeah.
And there you go. Whizzy, whizzy, whizzy. Let's get busy.
But you know what? I can't get this batter totally white, because when you use honey fragrance oil, it stays kind of beige. But that's the color of donuts anyway, right?
Well, that's good because it gives you a contrast of 3 colours, doesn't it?
I've never seen like a pure white donut anyways.
Nope.
Mixing. Mixing. So yeah.
I bet that's a Betty Crocker spoon, isn't it?
Everything's from the dollar store, believe it or not. The Dollar Tree.
Anyway, does anybody who know who Betty Crocker is? Is she real or fictitious? I don't know.
I don't know. Let us know if you know. Who is Betty Crocker and how do you spell donuts? And where are you from? That's in the pot swirl. Oh, texturing with my favorite shovel.
Sure, yes.
It's a shovel that came with the ice cream scoop from Amazon. And I did remember to put a link in the description below for that. Love that shovel. You get into the corners with it.
Yeah, it's a very workable tool, isn't it?
Yeah. Very handy. Doesn't that look just like chocolate?
Yeah, it does. Chocolate mousse.
Ooh.
And I presume that, oh, you're just putting that in two colours.
No,
You're not
just
mixing
leaving
it. Yeah.
Just one little mix. And then pour it in. That really does look like honey. Honey.
There we go again.
What?
Advert alert.
Oh, on the bowl. It's just from the Dollar Tree. So, I think we're okay. Well, I think are you not allowed to show, like, labels on YouTube?
I think it's not a problem as long as you're not, it's accidental, isn't it? Some people don't realise that.
I've never even thought about it, really. Getting all the bubbles out when I tap it down. Here comes the piping. Look how thick that is already.
Yeah, it is. Look how white that is. It's just...
Yeah, the piping's nice and white.
Looks yummy.
Looks like whipped cream. Greek yogurt.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Greek yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Yeah, that's what they say in the UK, yogurt. But now I say yogurt.
Why do you say yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
It's just the way it is, isn't it?
Yogurt.
We have to laugh, because sometimes...
Chocolate drizzle.
Yeah, sometimes things sound different over here than they do in the UK.
That's because you're talking different.
Like, we wear jumpers when it's cold.
I still don't know what a jumper is.
What's a jumper? It's a sweater.
Well, a jumper to me is like a one-piece outfit.
Yeah. No, jumpers, but a pullover or whatever.
A pullover?
Yeah, a jumper is the same as a sweater.
Yeah, that's so weird to me. Like, why is it called a jumper, do you think?
No idea.
So what do you call, like, a one-piece outfit?
Well, they're known as onesies now, aren't they? But never used to be known with that before.
Don't know the name of that piping tip.
No,
As usual, I'm very bad with that. Sorry.
And now I want ice cream because that looks like a Klondike.
What would you do
wafer.
for a Klondike bar?
What would I do for it?
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
I'd do anything for a Klondike bar.
As the commercial goes.
That's a nice tip, the one on the top of that soap there.
You almost said cake again.
Yeah, I've got cake on the brain. They're like them little cookies we have in the UK that are the size of a quarter, and they have a bit of icing on the top. The same tip. They're called ice gems. Believe me, they're absolutely
That
marvelous.
little blob I'm putting on the soap is called an Irish gem.
Iced gem.
Iced gem.
That's what they're called.
Why are they iced?
Because they look like ice.
Do they?
And the different colours. Sweet icing on top of a small cookie the size of it.
Oh, iced. Like icing.
Iced, yeah, gems.
Oh, okay. I was thinking of an ice cube. But like in the shape of that.
But these soaps, you can't look at them without thinking about something like a cake or...
Donuts!
Oh, here's the donuts. No, don't they look absolutely marvellous?
They're very cute. I have to admit, they're probably the cutest embed I've ever made.
I think we covered all types of donuts available there.
I'm going to put the link for that donut mold in the description, actually. I forgot about that. I saw it on Amazon and thought it was for big donuts until I clicked on one of the pictures, and I think they show it with like a coin beside it, and I died of like cuteness overload.
It looks so real, and the way you put the coating on and the frosting, the sugar frosting, and drizzle, just like.
Yeah, it is just sugar on those,
Miniature donuts.
But before the bars go out the door, I have to like stick more sugar on them because I used alcohol
Yeah.
to stick the sugar to them. Really, I should have used like a bit of melt and pour soap. And those are made out of melt and pour soap, by the way. I don't know how I got that donut color. I can't remember. Pretty good,
Well, you
though,
spent a
right?
lot of time doing them, so yeah.
Pretty accurate color.
Oh, where's the pink
sugar ones.
and
You see
the
all the
blue
sugar
ones?
coming off on my fingers? I have to redo them.
Well, that's to say, I think we don't. You get a box of them, you have loads of sugar in the bottom.
Yeah, they're messy, eh?
Yeah.
I could eat a donut right now, actually.
My favourite donuts have to have either vanilla custard or just normal custard in the middle or cream.
I don't like custard. I don't know why. Maybe it's a texture thing. That's just sugar colored. I colored it with mica.
And now the frosting, eh? Yeah.
No, sprinkles.
Yeah, sugar sprinkles, frosting.
Yeah, sugar sprinkles. They're up close and personal.
And that's
Cute.
what works really well.
Why did I turn it around and show you? Oh, to see the other side of the other donuts.
Yeah.
Right. Sometimes I don't know why I'm doing what I'm doing. And suddenly, it's the next day. Ta-da!
There we are. Oh, look at that.
You'll have to smell those.
Yeah.
I don't think we've smelt them yet.
I don't think you have.
Smelt.
No. Don't think you have.
Smelt a word.
Smelled, I don't know. Smells the fish,
Smelled.
doesn't it?
Smelded.
I think people make words up without realising it.
I think
don't
I
they?
do a lot. I do that a lot. We haven't smelded them yet.
Smelled it.
We haven't sniffed them.
Sniffed them, smelt them, yeah. Oh, there we go, another slice.
Did we talk about scratch and sniff yet? Like if you could get a scratch and sniff computer screen?
You can smell the soap before you buy it by scratching it or anything nearby, yeah.
That would be the best invention ever.
I think one day they'll be able to do that.
Really?
Yeah. Don't know
Without
how,
wrecking your screen?
There'll be a way to do it.
That would be so weird. Be cool though. So glad I speed this up. I think people get bored here, you know.
Depends, I think people love it. Like I said before, people like the texture of it as it's going through the wire cutting the soap. That's turned out really well again, hasn't it?
I think so. I like it. I just gotta fix the sugar, the sprinkles.
The only thing missing off that now is a nice big fat cup of coffee.
Oh, look at the close up.
But really, you don't
Wanna
know the
eat
close up,
donuts.
yeah.
Thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the notification button. And like the video or dislike it like the other 3 people keep doing. And leave a comment and let us know how you spell donuts and where you're from.
Yeah, let us know what language differences it is within. It's interesting, isn't it?
Yes, I want to know why the United States of America takes out the UGH from everything. Just out of curiosity.
Take care, people.
Bye
See you
for
next
now.
time. Bye, bye, bye.